Thankfully, no severe weather here tonight. Temperatures are cooling down a bit after highs in the low to mid 80s today. 73, a pretty popular reading from Gatlinburg all the way up through Oneida, La Follette, and down to Wartburg as well. But it is humid still. A lot of orange, which is a sticky feel, to even a little bit of pink, which is tropical. So we have some scattered light rain showers is what the green is showing up, but some moderate to heavier rainfall with some embedded lightning up the 81 corridor, western Greene County moving up into Hawkins County now. That's all moving to the north and east. There's still a little bit of fuel areas to the north. Now, I'm not expecting severe storms, but we could still see some developing showers as this batch moves northward over the next couple of hours. And here's what I'm talking about. The batch I showed you earlier that came out of Georgia, weakening, moving north, but there have been a few thunderstorms on the periphery here up through portions of southeast Kentucky. So still the opportunity of a few showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder, especially north of Knoxville until we get to about 2 a.m. No severe weather, but things will quiet down as we head closer to daybreak tomorrow. So when you head out the door first thing in the morning, mainly cloudy, but most areas dry. Now the pavement may still be damp from some rain earlier, but mid to upper 60s is where we'll start. Keep the umbrella handy though, because as we go through the day, we'll see additional scattered showers and a few storms around, and there's at least a lower threat. Again, we could see some isolated flash flooding. Not everybody will, but anybody has an opportunity, especially if you've seen some of that heavier rainfall south of the Knoxville area, like down towards Loudoun and northern Monroe counties. So let's go in the morning. Limited rain chances. It's more likely through the afternoon once we hit midday, kind of dotting the landscape here with some scattered showers and a few storms. And like the past couple of days, of course, lightning is going to be a concern, but some locally heavy rainfall. These are just moisture-filled clouds that will just be dumping rainfall across the region where these develop. But again, not everybody will see them. We're thinking at about 60% of the area will see them tomorrow. And then coverage decreases as we go past sunset, which, by the way, is about 8:45 this time of year. By the time we get to this time tomorrow night, very limited showers expected. In fact, rain chances will continue to go down, just spotty for Thursday and Friday. They do ramp back up, though, later Friday night into Saturday before the drier push of air finally comes back in as we finish up the weekend. So here's where we are now, still elevated amounts of moisture in the atmosphere. We'll stay that way for tomorrow in the afternoon. It's really going to be most noticeable in the morning hours. Instead of mid to upper 60s like we will see over the next few days, we're talking upper 50s coming up by next Monday and Tuesday. But again, before we get there, scattered storms tomorrow, less coverage for Thursday, Friday. We